add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up.
Yo, it's your boy, Bitcoin Baller. I'm back with another video. It's been a minute. You know, for y'all that's, been watching my channel for a minute, my subscribers, my ride or dies, appreciate it. I've been gone for a minute. All of these projects that, were like passive income platforms such as PGI, Cash FX, all of them have scammed out. So there were major lessons learned with those projects. So I've tried my best to find more sustainable, legitimate projects, but once again, I'm not a financial advisor. So you guys got to do your own research and figure out if it makes sense for you. So that being said, I've been in Drip for a minute. You know what I'm saying? I got in Drip back when it first came out. I didn't get in at the pre-sale or white, all of that shit. But I did get in after it launched, the same day it launched. I had about $9 a coin. And I think I spent like a grand. And I wound up with like 900. Was it 900 coins? Nah, I think it was more like 100. I think it was like 100 coins I got at $9, something like that. And as you see, I've claimed quite a bit. I've also been compounding lately. I know I've been following what's been going on with the community, even though, I haven't been making no videos. There's been a lot of drama because, the price came up, went back down. A lot of people, beefing, with the community. And, I understand, the people that got in at the top and they feeling like they got ripped off. But at the end of the day, that's the name of the game. You know what I'm saying? You got into this top at this price up here. Yeah, you're going to be hurt. But, nigga, my bad. You're going to be upset. You know what I'm saying? That if you got in at that price and it goes back down. It is just what it is. The best thing, once again, this isn't financial advice. So let me just say, if it was me and I got in here, the best thing that I could do is to dollar cost average in down here, which would basically, it would make more sense for me to get in at the lower prices and then kind of balance things out, which will reduce your losses, especially if you believe in a project and you believe that it's going to go back up. You know what I'm saying? Stunner Breezy, aka Bitcoin for Life. I've been watching them since then, back when I was making videos a little bit more regularly. And also Bartertown Conglomerate. Those two are probably like the main ones that like are probably the biggest whales that are pushing Drip. As long as a few other ones. I'm just saying the biggest two. I know there's many more people supporting the community, but those are the more noticeable ones. And then there's a couple other guys. I don't know his channel, but he's the main one. He got kind of like banned out of the Drip community because like they were, I guess, not necessarily complaining. They were bringing up relevant points, I feel, about the project and the piggy bank and all that stuff like that. But Bartertown Conglomerate, I think, is an admin there, and he wants people to say shit a certain type of way. Like, when the price go down, he wants them to have a positive spin on it, like saying it's a discount, whatever. And I don't know if I agree with that or not. I believe you should be able to say whatever the fuck you want to say. If you believe the shit, is going down and crashing, then you say what you want to say. You know what I'm saying? Bartertown and Stunning them, they spin it how they want to spin it because, they've got in and they made a great amount of money with the project. Now, the people that got up here, who's to say that they shouldn't feel like they got ripped off, meaning they got in $166 and then the shit just crashed? Isn't that a relevant, talking point? Shouldn't they feel, some type of way? I don't know, just my 2 cents. However, that all being said, I just wanted to, mention that because I've been watching what's going on in the community. You know what I'm saying? I've been watching. So that being said, I do believe in Drip wholeheartedly. I think with Forex Shark pushing and doing the things he's doing, and then like I said, Bitcoin for Life, aka Son of Breezy, however you want to say that, Bartertown Conglomerate, they're gonna keep doing their thing. This is not going anywhere. I don't think it's going nowhere for a long time. So even the people that got in up here, if you keep rocking with the project, you keep hydrating, and you double down, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's up to you. You do what you want to do with your own money. I just know what I would do if I was in that situation. Like I said, I can keep claiming, and I'm still in a positive right here, but I'm not doing that. I'm gonna be hydrating here. I'm hydrating all the way down. I ain't claiming nothing less than 100. That's where I'm at with it. I wanted to go up higher because I'm so used to claiming up here. That's the good days right there. I think we're going back. All right, so as you see right here, see where I'm at. I got 276. I've been compounding. Stunner always say he don't see people hydrating on video, so I'm not that big of a guy. I got more than some of the other people I see recording. You know what I'm saying? Keep an eye out on that referral link. I got me some of that BR3P, that Breep or whatever it's called. I got some of that. So if you're interested in joining the team, I'm gonna be there. I'm not claiming anything. I'm just gonna be compounding, and then if I get people on my team, I'm gonna start doing those airdrops that the other guys do. I can afford it, so I'm gonna be giving back because I've been blessed. I'm no, like I said, big whale, but I got a little something, you know what I'm saying? I got a little something, not nothing crazy, just a little something. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and hydrate this on video so you can see that I'm putting all of this back in. I'm not taking that out. Okay, let me bring that back up there. A little technical difficulties. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. And watch this go up right here. It says pending. All right, compound success. You're going to see that go over here. Wait on that for a second. There we go. Now we over here. Once I get there, I'll get it up to 300. I'm going to be making more a day. All right, so if you've been watching Drip, I'm not sure if you've been hearing about the rumors. So there's been talks with the Drip community and saying that they met with Chainlink. This is a while back, if I understand. This is so they met with Chainlink and discussed a partnership for Drip. I think, I don't know why, but I think Drip is going to be huge. I think it's going to be huge. I really, really do. This is just a feeling. I don't have anything else to go on besides these messages like that. And Forex Shark, he continues to keep things going. So some of y'all might be considering this, what is it called? Piston token, Piston whatever. Let me go over here. All right, Piston token. All right. So this is pretty much a. Let me just go ahead and visit this Reddit post. All right, so it's like a drip clone, whatnot, and they are announcing a pre-sale, and you're gonna get into it if you go into one of their other programs. All right, look, let me just keep it 100 with you. Most of the people that are going into this, they're just trying to do a quick flip. I'm just keeping it 100 with you. I'm going to tell you why that I'm not really going to go into this and that I don't believe in it. First of all, I don't like that I have to invest into another one of your projects in order to get in on this project, to the pre-sale. I mean, you do what you got to do at the end of the day. You know, you make your own move, make your own decisions. I feel like I didn't want to have to do that, so I'm not. And first of all, this group doesn't have a head like Forex shark that's pushing and creating other opportunities for it. So I think it's going to come and go. The people that invest into it, it's going to be like a little brief pump, and then it's going to dump. I mean, I wish them well, but that's just my personal belief. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before. I'm not, ashamed to say that, but I honestly don't see this project making it. I think it's going to be a lot of people to lose a lot of money. There might be some to make it, but I think most are going to lose out. Because what's the point in having a white sale that everybody can have access to long as they invest into another project? So that means all of the people that are really, really serious about it, all of them are buying in right now is what we speak, or, getting access to it. Because I think it says it's coming out. It came out, March? That they were able to buy. So March 28th is when the second time you'll be able to buy if you got in on the other project. Yeah, 15% off. So most of the people right now are going to be able to get in and buy 400 or so coins. And then the rest of the people can buy more coins after the fact. I don't see this project making it. Like I said, it's to be a quick flip. You can buy your $400 worth of coins and then sell it. And, hopefully you'll flip it and make some money. But that's just what I'm thinking here. All right. Drip is I think going to be the number one project here. All right. And like I said, it's mainly because of this right here, this chain link partnership. And then the big deal right here, the big deal is right here. Right here is with Pancake Swap. I don't know what they got planned, but I'm trying to tell you it's going to be big. It is going to be big. So stay tuned for that. I remember on Stunner's video, he tried to give people a little bit of a hint, to what was coming. Basically, Pancake Swap bought their tokens around about, what was it, 60 some? I don't know. I can't quite remember. I don't know if it was $40 or $60. They bought their tokens around about then, and they pumped the price up a little bit. So I think, they wouldn't be buying in if they didn't see massive potential for this project, as well as them, that partnership that's coming along with them. So keep an eye out. I'm trying to tell you, like, people looking at these prices like they're bad, and they what if they thinking about getting in right here was bad? What if the token goes to $1,000? What if the token goes to $5,000? Is this price right here so bad? Was this price so bad to bitch about? Nah, I don't think so. And I'm starting to feel more and more like Stunner when he says, at first I was like, man, what the fuck is he talking about? When he says it doesn't matter about the price of drip, just keep compounding. So what he means by that is, if you just keep compounding, you're going to be able to get more and more and more drip tokens, which is going to pay you out more per drip. So just don't focus on the price. Of course, if you can get in at a really good price, go ahead and do so. But if you don't let it fucking deter you or hurt your feelings because you got in at the top and you like, damn, I lost, and everybody else is winning. Boo hoo, man. What about the people that got in on what's the fucking name of that project? BitConnect, and lost all that money on that, bro? It happens, man. It's the name of the game. But look, you get in right here and you buy tokens down here as it's going down, you're going to dollar cost average and neutralize some of them losses. So if the price goes back up to about here, guess what? You about even now. You know what I'm saying? You got in right here and you got in right here, and the price goes back up to $100. You're even now, depending on how many. So you bought 5 tokens here, probably about 5 tokens down here, you're gonna be more, you know, even right here than you would if you just had, you know, your 5 tokens right here, and it goes down. You know, you just taking a massive L. So that's why people preach dollar cost average. And I hope this makes sense. I hope I'm not just rambling, but like I said, this shit's gonna be fire, yo. And the people that sat down on the sidelines thinking, you know, that the game is over, that the project is out of steam, and we just gonna be taking L's from here on out. I'm trying to tell you, that's not gonna be the case. Drip, I think after it's all said and done, it's gonna be a household name. I think this is gonna be people's bank accounts. This is gonna be people's bank accounts. At least this is how I'm looking at it. I'm looking at this as my bank account. This is like one of the things I look most forward to, you know, in my day. I look forward to compound. I look forward to getting on Drip and looking at things and seeing how the price goes. Like I said, though, link will be in the description to join my team. I'm going to be doing airdrops. I appreciate everyone that clicks my links and rocks with me and believes in the vision of the Bitcoin baller. I'm just going to call it the ballers team, man. We're going to be the ballers. That's it. You know, they got the Bartertown conglomerate over there. They got Stunner's team. We're going to be the ballers. That's it. So, like I said, I'll have that link in the description. I also plan to drop more content about kind of like what's going on in the financial world, because I feel like that is something that people need to be paying attention to as well. Even though, you know, this is primarily a passive income channel, it's still about getting money. So inflation is going crazy. The dollar's getting weaker. Financial warfare is afoot in the world. And it's about making your dollars work hard for you and not losing your money at the end of the day. So if I could save somebody some money based on my financial knowledge, not financial representative knowledge, but my financial knowledge that I've gained over the years, then that would be great. So anyways, thank you for watching the video, sticking out with it this far. I will see you in another video later.